Hey, hey, I'm Mindy Kniss. This is the Daily Rage. Let's check in on the cows. We talked about these cows, the feeder cattle, last weekend. And what I pointed out to you is that they were on a mission to cruise higher. They had flipped the parabolic SAR and they had had some really, really nice day. And they just continued that throughout this whole week, which is awesome. One of the things that I love about the meats and agricultural products is that sometimes, not always, of course, but sometimes they do tend to trend a little bit more than the indexes because they are so dependent on things like weather and supply and it's actual real stuff as opposed to just numbers. This is still looking real hot. Let's look at next target. If we got up to here on Friday, where where will we go from there? Okay, so next target up is 256.122, followed by, let's go way up there, 261.508. Now remember that oftentimes when we just go up, 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 it will sometimes pause, take a break, maybe have a little pullback, maybe have a bigger pullback. You never know what's going to happen. But at least right now, it's looking really good. As a reminder, the Lucra Community Coaching Session is tomorrow, and I cannot wait to see many of you there. Many of you have already written in with questions, especially those of you that aren't able to be there live. You will get an invitation if you are subscribed to one of my Substack publications. That's either The Daily Rage, Mental Capital, or Lucrative. So if you're on any one of those, you will receive the invitation. It is a free event, just a way to say thank you to the Lucra community, because really without you guys, Lucra would not exist. And I am ever so thankful for you being a part of this whole adventure. So I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. I'll drop the links below to those newsletters if you want to check out and make sure that you are subscribed to one of those, or maybe subscribe to another one if it piques your interest. I'm Mindy Kniss. Thanks so much for watching.